evening.
Hi, good evening din po.
So today we'll be talking about something that affects millions of people across the world, anxiety. And more importantly, how we can take simple, practical steps to overcome it and reclaim our sense of peace. Okay? Okay, let's start by understanding what anxiety and stress really are. So these are emotional responses to pressure, something we all experience at some point, whether it's from work, relationship, health issues, or past trauma. These pressures can build up. Okay, so more than 264 million people around the world are affected by anxiety disorders, making them one of the most common mental health conditions. Okay, so um, next is the signs of anxiety. So, so how do we recognize anxiety? It often shows up in three ways: physical symptoms, emotional, and behavioral. Okay, so physical signs can include headaches, fatigue, muscle tension, and shortness of breath. Okay, and next is emotionally. You might feel constant worry or dread, making it hard to focus or relax. Okay, so lastly, behaviorally, it might look like restlessness or avoiding certain situations. Okay, so recognizing these signs is the first step toward managing certain situations. Okay, so naiintindihan po ba natin, sir?
Naintindihan ko. Thank you, Javen.
Okay, so now let's talk about cause the cause of anxiety. Um, we might be causing anxiety and how we can take back control lifestyle changes. Um, those small can have a big impact. So, so we need to prioritize our sleep. Getting enough sleep is the key to maintain emotional stability. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. And next is maintain a balanced diet. Um, choose food that nourish your body and mind. Next is set boundaries. Um, learn to say no to non-urgent requests and focus on the things that really matter to you. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, next is um, managing managing anxiety. Okay? So, managing anxiety involves integrated practical strategies into daily routines to regain control and balance. Managing anxiety involves integrating practical strategies into daily routines to regain control and balance. Here are effective tips to start with. Okay, so ang pinakauna nating tip is our breathing control. So, practice slow, intentional breaths to calm your mind and relax your body. So, pag nagdi-deep breath po kayo, nakaka-relax po yun ng ating um, isip and ating katawan. And next is exercise. So, pag nag-exercise po tayo, nakakawala po siya ng tension. And also as for walking. So pag nagalaw po tayo, um, nakaka-release siya ng um, tension sa ating katawan and nakawala na rin siya ng stress. Okay, so for our routine, establish a structured daily routine to create stability and reduce unpredictability. So, um, ito po yung pag-manage natin ng ating time. Um, like, mag-ano na po tayo, like, i-ready na po natin yung mga gagawin natin next day para hindi na po tayo like, mag-cram. So, dapat ready tayo for the day. Okay?
Yes, thank you, Javen, for
Okay,
reminding me.
so for our next is seeking support. Um, Isa po to sa pinamalaking major na parang major ano ng anxiety kasi we need support from our loved ones and friends and our relationship or ano yes like that. Okay, so reaching out for help when dealing with anxiety is a courageous step toward healing. Support from others can make a significant difference. So, um, if ever natatakot po kayo mag-reach out, wag po kayong matatakot kasi I know there are people na um, that are willing to support you from your problems po, sir. Okay?
Yes po.
Okay, so tapos na po tayo, sir. Thank you. Start small, seek support, and be kind to yourself. Together, we can overcome anxiety and build a brighter future. So, okay po, sir. Tapos na po tayo. Thank you sa
Yun
pagsama.
din po dahil sa slides nyo may mga natutunan ako and the same time wala na pong konting anxiety ko na lesson po dahil binigyan mo ko ng tips and idea to prevent and to help sa sarili ko din. Thank you so much, Javen, for your time and effort sa akin.
Okay, thank you, Carlo. Till next time.
Till next time, bye-bye! Paalam!